So nowadays, I have been seeing some videos on YouTube with no title, and sometimes the whole channel without a name is found. Somehow, most of them get millions of views. I also want to get a million views, but the sad part is that nobody tells how to do this. So out of curiosity, I went to my studio and tried using space. But yeah, YouTube isn't stupid. It requires you to at least add one character or you won't be able to save this. Then how did this happen? Well, this video also has no title, so I know how this happened, and I think I am gonna get a million views too. But there are a lot of twists you would have never imagined. So now, give me 2 minutes, and let me explain how this is done. Let's go back to the blank title. I tried to copy this too, but nothing is being selected at all. So as a HackerMan level 1000, I used inspect feature to see what's in there. Oh, interesting. But the thing is, when I try to select it, it goes blank. And when I try select the blank, it goes back to the weird characters. Is it trying to annoy me on purpose? So anyway, I copied the whole element, but when I paste it somewhere, that thing disappears again. So at the end, I wrote the whole thing myself. Now let's save it and check. Nope, it's not gonna be that easy, and I know why it didn't work. The input is taking these characters as text, but this is not a text. These are called HTML entities, and they will only work if they come with the source code. Even being a HackerMan level 1000, I am not powerful enough to hack and paste this code into YouTube input box. So I remembered something else. There's one more way to select things. It's by double clicking. Will it be selected if I double click? Yeah, it will, and I am able to copy it too. Now let's try pasting into the title. Wait, it is showing that there is something here, but still it's not allowed. This video can have this title, why can't I? Does this guy secretly work inside YouTube? Wait, that's not the problem. YouTube is probably thinking of it similar to Spaces. I still don't know why it worked for this video, but not mine. But anyway, I went searching all over the internet now. I found a video in which the guy used something called control character from a website. But when I went there, I wasn't able to find anything. The thing that looked like blank space was actually an SVG image. But this gave me an idea. In SVG, there is a way to add a blank space and control the width of that space. Now, of course, YouTube titles don't allow images either, but this concept is what we needed. Let me show you something first. When you select a character, you'll see that it is inside a rectangular box. Same thing also happened when you type something in old command prompts. So that means every character is a rectangular box in which the letter is drawn with a color and everything else is blank. For a blank title, we need to find a character which is encoded with blank width or height. It should create a space without using a regular space, an actual invisible character. And I found it. It's a Unicode character called zero width space. Our target was to find blank width, but instead we found something even more amazing with literally no width. It can be found on Unicode Explorer and its codename is U200B. At first I didn't think it will work, but I tried it anyway. Good thing here is that we can copy it automatically by clicking here. And here we go. Mission successful. Someone said that the browser encoding may change how the invisible character looks. So I also tried to view this video in both browser and app, and it is invisible in both of them. If you need the link for this website, well, I haven't given it a description. There's a link for my Rumble video. There you'll find all the links. If you want to support me for free, just skip some ads by playing the video or click on a photo advertisement before going to the link. You don't need to sign up or anything. Everything is direct and free. And please smash that like button, comment, and share this video so that this title becomes a viral title. And if you use it, there is a high chance of boosting views. Check out my merch. Subscribe this channel for amazing, informative videos. Now watch the video on the right side to learn about the frame rate and resolution of human eyes. I don't think anyone is still here, but if you are, you're a legend. Thank you.